Hey guys, it's me, Rosevine. Welcome back to another video on my channel. I'm sorry that it's been a while. I've been very busy lately. I also got an appliance put in my mouth, so if I sound weird, I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and spin this wheel. Okay. So I saw something that said they had like spikes on sale or something. So I'm gonna go check that out. Let me see. They do. This is so cool. Okay. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I like the donut one. Do they have more? Okay, well that's really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of these. Okay, so I ended up getting the rare striped spiked collar and the donut spiked collar. But for now, I'm just going to go back to my normal spike that I wear. And I'm going to put these on trade because that's pretty cool. But, sorry for the background noises, by the way. And also, I know I sound so weird. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. And I got a mouth surgery. Not surgery, but, something put in my mouth yesterday. And I know I sound like really, really weird right now, but it will get better. Okay, so now that we have those on trade, let's go out and I'm going to tell you guys what we're actually going to do today. Okay, so today we're going to be having a giant trade party at my den, so let's go ahead and do that.
Marshmallows.
Dance around. Alright, I'll get back with you guys when we have some people. Okay, so I have some people here at my den, and we're just going to start trading with people. So let's check out Two Tails 18. Okay. They have the mustache I want. Okay. I'm going to trade my bug hat, and I'll trade my crystal spiked collar. I really want that mustache, you guys. Let's see. Uh-oh, no. Ah! I need that mustache for my outfit. We get
I have my sister that has two loose tubes.
This is my sister. She is saying she has loose teeth. Okay, here we go.
2 of them. They're really nice.
Oh no, I need that popsicle. Okay.
The really big one is Nibbles, and Jimmy is the one that's not really big.
Okay, you can tell us later. Okay. I don't know what, I really want that mustache. Okay, you know what? I'll try this. I really want this, you guys. Man, okay, I guess I'm not getting that mustache today. Okay, T-Bird 2008 wants us to trade. So let's see. I actually had that spike, but I think I traded it for something. Let's trade for this spike. Okay, let me trade this one. Man, okay. Popsicle, the under. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, why do you want my mustache so badly? It would match my outfit. Outfit. XD. Okay. Okay, let's say, wow, this person has a lot of spikes. Oh, this one. Let's trade. Wait, yeah, I don't know if, okay. I want the blackout spike really badly. Let's trade that spike for this. Oh no. Okay, apparently I can't do life today and move my controller. But let's do this and see what they say. They're not gonna trade this. That's a really good spike, but we'll see. Please. Okay, anyway. Okay, wait. Okay, we're trying to get that. I'm gonna tell them if they want to be in my video to say hi. If you want to be in my vid, say hi. Oh, I said if you wasn't. I can't spell, you guys. I want to buddy these people because they seem really nice. Okay, let's see what Penny Rose 01 has. Oh, I love that backpack, but I already have a backpack, so I don't know. Okay, yes, I will buddy all of you. Two Tails. Hey, buddy, you. My China. I think I'll all you say that. Oh no! My vids are called my username. Sorry if that's kinda hard to understand, but oh no. It's my username. Okay. Let me buddy. Okay. These people are so nice. Thank you guys so much for coming to my den and talking with me and trading with me. Sorry that we didn't really trade a lot because I don't know. I'm so bad at trading, you guys. Can you please educate me on how to trade? But I'm going to tell them that I only, excuse me, have a vid up. I'm new. Okay. Hello world. Oh my word, it's me. T-Bird, you rock, and all of you rock, and I love your outfits so much, and you're amazing. Aww. I'm gonna say thanks for coming. Thank you guys so much. Okay. Well, that was fun. I loved trying to trade with all of you and talking to you. Guys, turn into the same animal. Me? I really like this spike. I want to trade it so badly. I'm going to trade this one. But no, I love that spike. I'm very indecisive, if you can't tell. So I'll trade that. Okay, we're gonna do one last trade with T-Bird 2008, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to trade this. I'm so bad at trading, you guys, so these are probably so unfair, and I'm so sorry, but I'm just really bad, so let's do that and see if she accepts that. Oh my word, I'm so bad at trading. What is wrong with me?
do 4 things.
Don't you have that? Oh, what she want? I'm sorry. Oh, Popsicle is back. Have what? I'm sorry, you guys. Oh, she wants that. Oh no. This is my signature collar. I'm gonna say, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I can't spell. Okay, I sound so weird right now. I said about that. I meant to say about, but whatever. Let's trade. Oh no. She was so nice about that though. Okay, let's try this spike. Okay, you know what? I give up. Well. Aw, I'm sorry. It's okay. I can't spell. What is wrong with me? It's Coke? It's not a word. Okay. Oh my. Yes. I know that, that's a good spike, but I don't wear that. So, thanks. Or the blue top hat. Okay. Let me see where my blue top hat is. I think I have a blue top hat, but I'm not sure. Here, this one. I don't know if this is what she wants or not. Aww. Thanks. You guys are so sweet. Thanks. Okay, feel free to come to my den anytime and just hang out. Because I love you all and you're so sweet. All of you, everyone watching, feel free to come play Animal Jam with me and just do whatever you want in my den or whatever. You oh my word, I can't speak. Feel free to, yeah, I'm just gonna give up trying to say that. Feel free to come to my den anytime. I'm sorry, this mouth thing in my mouth is just bothering me and I can't speak with it, but I'm gonna get it fixed for next video and I'm gonna sound a lot better, so. Okay, so thank you for bearing with me and listening to me speak for the past 12 minutes. But, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much.